Scorpio, this is your reading for the month of May. We are going to see your partner's energy towards you and what can you expect. This reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and not known. So at this time, Scorpio, I feel this person is holding back. I'm also getting they are hiding something from you. In some cases, it could be their feelings that they are not expressing their feelings. For others of you, I'm getting this could be a player you are dealing with, and this is not a trustworthy person. That's what I'm getting here. They are very possessive of you, but they are still looking at you in secret. They're keeping some information from you. That's the vibe I'm getting here, Scorpio. At this time, if you're not taking any action towards them, you're very focused on your work and you're just doing your thing. I'm also getting you're very focused on your money at this time. That's completely their perspective, Scorpio. That's how they feel. They also think that you are holding yourself back. You are very much in your vibe at this time. You're not going to reach out to them. You're not going to be vulnerable in front of them. Instead, I'm getting this person is thinking about you little negatively, that they feel you are very playful, you are very charming, you know how to play with words, you are very attractive. But the thing is, they feel you are exploring your options or you are acting like a player at this time. You are very unstable. For some of you guys, I feel you could be having a job in traveling and you are traveling this time, but they feel you are very much in your vibe and you are looking away from this relationship. You are ready to explore your options, and for most of you I'm getting this is completely their perspective, Scorpio, that they feel you are exploring your options at this time and you are sleeping with others or you are just having fun. That's the vibe I'm getting here. This is what they think about you. Here they feel that they should wait, and yes, they are waiting for you. They want to have something real with you, Scorpio. You could be married to this person, or they want to marry you because they want to have it all with you. In some cases, I feel this person is already married, or you could be married, but someone here is married, and for others of you, I'm getting they want to have something real with you. Like literally, they want to have it all with you. They feel you are like a perfect girlfriend or boyfriend, and they can marry you and like you are a husband material, you are a wife material. That's the vibe I'm getting here. That's what they feel about you. They want to have it all with you. They also feel you are very stable financially. If not, they are willing to work on finances. They just want to be with you, Scorpio, and they want to have your attention. They want to have success in this relationship. Someone here is having recognition at this time. It could be anything. It could be your job, or you could be a YouTuber, or you could be on any social media platform, but you are getting a lot of attention and success at this time. I'm getting popularity here. So yes, they want to have your attention, but they feel you are very successful at this time, and they want to have it all with you. Like they want to have a family with you. I'm seeing kid here, I'm seeing pet here, I'm seeing parents here. They want everything with you, Scorpio, and they want to go out with you. They want to date you. Like they want everything with you. That's the vibe I'm getting here. They want you as a friend, they want you as a boyfriend, girlfriend, they want you as a husband, wife. They want everything with you. They are crazy for you. Like when it comes to their feelings, they are willing to wait for you, but they want to make things right with you. They want to have a balance. They also feel you are a very fair person. They want you, Scorpio. They think about you a lot. This could be someone who wants to be emotionally independent from you. They don't want that codependency in this relationship. Also, they want to be stable first financially. They want to have something real with you, but the thing is, they're not ready to give it all to you. Like they want to have it all, but they're not ready to put those efforts in this relationship. That's the vibe I'm getting here. They want things to be smooth. They just want things to happen. They want you to be submissive to them, and I don't think this is the right thing to even imagine in a relationship, because they want you to care about them. They want you to be fond of them, but to take care of them, to help them in household stuff. Like that's what I'm getting here. That's for very some of you. This could be a specific message for someone if you're married to this person, but they are very conflicted in their emotions, Scorpio. They are very conflicted in their emotions, and they want to take this relationship one step higher. They imagine having it all with you, like having a family with you. But the thing is, they're not ready for it yet. They're not ready to put those efforts on this relationship. That's what I'm getting here. They want to live with you, but they're not ready to give their 100%. So I'm also getting Scorpio. They are going to take action towards you. I'm also getting they are going to take a leap of faith towards you. You could be dealing with a Capricorn or a Leo, or it could be any sign, though I have strong fire here. They have strong fire for you, Scorpio. I'm getting sex here. You are going to get intimate with this person. Keep in mind, if you are going to get intimate with this person, try to use precaution because I'm seeing a child here. I'm also feeling that it could be a baby boy. I'm also getting they are going to take action towards you. A lot of passion from their side, a lot of passion, Scorpio, and I feel the passion is from both sides. You guys are going to get intimate. For very some of you, I'm also getting Scorpio. It could be your husband or wife for whom you are watching this reading, because here I feel you are going to work on this marriage and you are going to feel very lucky to be in this relationship. I'm also getting, Scorpio, that there will be a new start between you guys. We have King of Pentacles here with the Ace of Pentacles, but keep in mind this could be an extramarital affair for very some of you. For others of you, I'm getting this could be a third party situation, and someone here is going to work on their marriage. I'm sensing a new start here, something stable and very real. But a lot of people are involved in the situation. I'm also getting they feel when you guys are on bed, you guys are perfect for one another. I'm also getting, Scorpio, that this person is scared of something. Maybe they want you, but they are scared of a relationship. It could be a commitment phobic person. I'm also getting you could be dealing with another Scorpion, or this could be your energy that you are afraid of a relationship, or you are afraid to open up because they have hurt you or they have hidden some stuff from you. But that's the vibe I'm getting here. I'm also getting a lot of passion here, to be very honest. I'm feeling that you both are very arrogant or egoistic at this time, and like you both have your pride and you both are very hard to budge at this time. This could be the reason that you both are holding back. You both are looking at one another. Yes, now I'm getting it. You both are looking at one another. You both are stalking one another. You both are waiting for one another. But the thing is, you are very focused on your work. They are very focused on their work, and you both want to talk, but you both are playing with one another. And this is not in a negative way. Okay, this is not in a negative way. You are not speaking, they are not speaking. I'm really getting a typical husband and wife situation here for most of you. So it may not be everyone's reading, but that's what I'm getting here. Eventually, I see things moving forward, Scorpio. I'm sensing you guys making out with one another. And if this is your husband, expect a child. And I'm sensing a son here, to be very honest. I also feel now, this is a very specific message for someone that you guys are planning or are going to plan for a family. Yes, this will happen. This will happen. Let's get some messages from them. You are fire, and I have been cold all my life. I told you a lot of fire from their side. It's so hard not talking to you. You are my happiness. I told you, you both are looking at one another, and I feel it's hard for both of you when you guys are not talking. A part of me still believes that we will end up together. Yes. I'm also getting them very responsible. You both are very compatible. Very, I will come back. Like, what else do you need to know, Scorpio? This is a very sweet reading. I'm really getting a typical husband and wife situation here. They love you. They love you a lot. And you are an angel at the bottom. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. I like it. A very light reading. I really hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.